In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check liked posts on LinkedIn. If you've ever wanted to go back and find posts you previously liked, LinkedIn makes that possible through your profile activity. This is useful if you want to revisit a post, find a helpful resource again, or simply review the content you've interacted with in the past. I'll walk you through the process in a simple and clear way so you can follow along easily. To begin, open LinkedIn and go to your profile. You can usually do this by clicking on your profile picture or your name from the top of the page. Once you're on your profile, make sure you're on the main profile view where your information, posts, and activity are displayed. This is the central place where LinkedIn organizes your personal interactions and content. Next, scroll down the page until you find the activity section. Depending on how much information appears on your profile, you may need to scroll a little or quite a bit. Take your time here. The activity section is where LinkedIn groups different types of engagement, including posts you've shared and interactions you've made on the platform. If you don't see it immediately, just continue scrolling steadily until it appears. Once you're in the activity section, look for the option that says Show All and click on it. This opens a fuller view of your activity, allowing you to explore more than just the preview shown on your profile. This is the key step if you want to access a broader history of what you've done on LinkedIn, including the posts you've liked. After opening that section, you'll be in the right area to review your activity more closely. If LinkedIn displays different activity categories, you can look through them to locate your likes. The exact layout can sometimes vary slightly depending on whether you're using the desktop site or a mobile device, but the general path is the same. Go to your profile, scroll to activity, and open the full activity view. A helpful tip is to use this section whenever you want to retrace your engagement on the platform. It can save time if you remember liking something valuable but don't remember who posted it. Also, if LinkedIn updates its interface in the future, the names of sections may look a little different, but your profile activity will still usually be the place to check. That's it. That's how to check liked posts on LinkedIn quickly and easily.